Create a radial progress bar. So in this lesson we are going to create a cool looking radial progress bar. And the first thing what we need to do is to grab an ellipse tool right here and drag and create an oval or a circle. Let's fill it with a white color. As we have our circle created, now we need to head over to layer panel and duplicate this ellipse. Now we need to scale down this newly created circle by pressing Ctrl+T on your keyboard and hold down the Shift and Alt keys. After that, let's grab Direct Selection tool and select this newly created shape. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it, and let's delete this created shape by pressing Delete key on your keyboard or dragging the layer to the bottom to this bin icon. After that, make sure you see this outline around the circle and press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste it. Now head over to the top and select Subtract from Shape. We just subtracted our shape to make this cool looking circle. After that, let's head over to Layers panel and duplicate this ellipse layer and scale it down right about there by holding down Shift plus Alt keys on your keyboard. So this part is going to be animated and we need to make some kind of different color for it to make it easy for the user to understand. Grab the pen tool by pressing P on your keyboard, select Shape, and all the colors doesn't really matter right now. To make this part different color, we need to press with pen tool in the circle center, hold down the Shift key, and press on this white circle center. Now with a pen tool, press on the side. Press on this side by holding down the left mouse button, drag it so you make sure your outline is inside. As you may see, we cannot go further because this part or the pen tool doesn't allow us to do this. So we need to delete this by holding Alt on your keyboard and press on this point with the left mouse button. And now let's go back where we started. After we finished, press V on your keyboard and double click on this layer to the left. Select this pink color and press OK. Also, we need to go back and select pen tool and get a fill color selected and move our new shape to the bottom so we can see them. And now lastly, we need to add some basic text indication. Grab type tool and write something like 37%. And there we have it.